better than a garden gnome. A motherfucking food dog. Oh, well, hello there. This looks kind of familiar, right? Like the living room rug. Today, I have a backyard update. We actually finally got decor for the backyard, which is surprising. So today, we're gonna be furnishing the deck finally, and I'm gonna fill you guys in on everything that has happened since the unfinished second part backyard makeover last year. This half of the backyard is almost there, but there's still a long way to go. All the barbecues, Steph already has a smoker that he's been welding together that I really don't want on the deck. But come on, let me show ya. First of all, there is a car on our patio. I live with a guy and the garage is full, the driveway is full. This was supposed to be the patio area where I could put a fire pit, and I have a fire pit now. Instead of going on a paved non-flammable surface, it's gonna go on the very flammable deck instead. It's fine. I have some rocks today. Just a couple of bags to fill out this trench area on the patio. So I obviously got this rug for a reason. It just had the same blue check that I had with the rug inside, which I thought was a nice touch. It's actually made by the same brand, Safafier. I feel like a rug out here would be really nice. I'm gonna get an extra protector for the fire pit. The last time we had the backyard makeover, we were short a couple of planks of wood. Well, we're short. And then I had my parents' van. They were up here visiting me. We decided to take it to the lumber yard and see if the van will take a couple planks of wood. And Steph was working, so he wrote down the planks that I needed, got the planks that I thought I needed, strapped them to the car, had my dad, tie knots. We carry it to the backyard, only to find out I bought the wrong planks of wood. So brought them all the way back. The guy working at the lumber yard was joking with me, and he said, "I'll see you in an hour." And he really did see me in an hour. I feel like this must happen a lot. And I mean, you can tell I'm a rookie. Picture having a bunch of friends over, having a little fire, roasting marshmallows. I think this deck is big enough that I could fit this conversation set as well as the dining set. I was telling Steph, I'm like, oh, this deck is too big. We don't need it to be this big, but I'm so glad that it's this big. Man, I don't know how people do it. People who can talk and build at the same time. It's kind of like when you think about singers that can sing and dance at the same time. I could never. I don't understand it. I love the color of this set. Fun fact though, I thought it was black. I thought I ordered black, but this is even better. Wow. And I'm just looking at a car. This is Stefan's ideal view. The pavers ended up being available in late October, early November. Umbrella base! Oh! I'll set up in the back on this side. No, this side. Eh. 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 Oy. So the pavers was like just almost missed it by a hair. It was nearing the end of the year. Steph was itching to get this backyard done, so I called up the landscape people, and funny enough, the pavers, the lady was like, sorry, we're out of your color. It comes in another color, and it was this really not cute, stripy black and white, and I was just about to give up, and then her coworker tapped her on the shoulder and was like, actually, my other client just gave up on their pearl, which was the color I wanted. This paver is the most affordable. It's thicker than the normal paver because we need to put a car out there. I had my heart set out on these pavers. So once it became available, I was so happy that we were able to snatch it up. So we got that, and then a couple pieces of sod, which was like, you're supposed to put in sod before winter, late fall. We were very lucky to be able to put down a couple pieces, but Steph and a couple of his buddies put down all the pavers all in one day, which was incredible. He had a friend that was very experienced with this stuff, which was amazing. We were very lucky. We just managed to finish this half of the backyard by the end of 2021. Now, the rest of the backyard, because we're hoping to do the kitchen this year, I don't think we're gonna get to any landscaping. It's gonna be another year of wild ass weeds, things growing everywhere. I found listings of the one before, our house before, and the previous owner had done, I think, professional landscaping, and it was so nice. And then it all went to shit. I myself am not a big gardener. I'd like to be, but I cannot believe how cheap our overall backyard cost just because we didn't pay for labor. So for tools and material, we budgeted $5,000 and we spent under $5,500 for everything. Ridiculous. This was definitely a great thing to start off the year with, like our first year of the house. I was so excited about this guy. I can't believe they sold this at Home Depot. I was like, oh, maybe I should get a garden gnome. What's better than a garden gnome? A motherfucking food dog. Oh, okay. Make yourself at home, why don't ya? Sun has moved over to the other side. It's starting to set now. We'll start up the barbecue, have marshmallow. Oh, I need to go get marshmallows. There's cool Letitia, and then there's Auntie Letitia. Now that the backyard is nicely decorated, I am so happy that we have a usable area. I'm gonna see how well this conversation set goes because I would also like to have an area for dining on the deck. Ideally, if there wasn't a car on the paver side, we would shift that whole setup onto the pavers and then have a dining area on the deck. You can find me on Insta and TikTok at Letitia Q, and I will see you in future home videos. Bye.